welcome friends. Have you ever scrolled through your feed and stumbled upon those AI influencers? They're like these digital rock stars taking over social media. It's crazy how technology's shaping our world, huh? Join us on this journey as we peel back the curtain on these virtual celebs, uncover their secrets to stardom, and ponder what this AI influencer craze means for the whole influencer game. It's like exploring a whole new frontier in the digital universe. The rise of AI influencers. Hey, in a world where social media reigns supreme, there's this intriguing new trend on the rise. AI influencers. These aren't your typical internet personalities. They're digital creations brought to life by cutting-edge technology. And let me tell you, they're causing quite a stir online. But have you ever wondered how they even came into existence, or what exactly makes them so darn captivating? Well, get ready to dive deep into the captivating world of AI influencers with me. We'll unravel the mystery behind their creation, explore the magic that makes them so compelling, and follow their journey to stardom step by step. It's like peeling back the layers of a digital onion. There's so much to discover. Unveiling the mystery behind AI influencers. Imagine you're casually scrolling through your Instagram feed and suddenly, you come across this incredibly captivating influencer. But here's the plot twist. They're not real. These AI influencers, like Lil Miquela and Bermuda, are completely synthetic creations, yet they look and act so lifelike. It's mind-boggling, right? But how exactly do they pull off this digital magic? And what makes them stand out from the crowd of human influencers? Behind the scenes, crafting AI personalities. Ever wondered who's behind the creation of these digital celebrities? Meet the tech wizards and creative minds shaping the personalities of AI influencers. From designing their appearance to scripting their interactions, every detail is meticulously crafted to resonate with their audience. But what goes on behind the scenes, Five? And how do they bring these virtual beings to life? The allure of AI influencers. Hey, let's take a trip into the cool world of AI influencers, where things get a bit trippy as real life mixes with make-believe. These digital personalities are like magnets, drawing in people with their perfect looks and interesting stuff they share. But what's the secret sauce that keeps us glued to our screens? Is it because they seem just like regular folks? Or is there something deeper going on? Why we keep hitting that follow button again and again? The power of AI in marketing. In a world inundated with content, brands are constantly seeking new ways to stand out. Enter AI influencers, the game changers in marketing. With their ability to deliver consistent, on-brand messages, they offer brands a level of control and creativity previously unseen. But how are they reshaping the marketing landscape? And what does the future hold for this innovative approach? Navigating the ethics of AI influencers as AI influencers gain popularity. Questions arise about their authenticity and impact. Are they blurring the lines between reality and fantasy? And what ethical considerations come into play when virtual personas endorse products and lifestyles? Join us as we delve into the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI influencers and their implications for society. The evolution of AI technology. Behind every AI influencer lies groundbreaking technology that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. From intricate algorithms to cutting-edge generative AI, the evolution of AI technology has opened the doors to a whole new era of digital influencers. But just how far can this remarkable technology take us? And what groundbreaking innovations lie just beyond the horizon? Join us as we embark on a journey through the ever-evolving landscape of AI technology and its profound impact on the ever-shifting landscape of influencer culture. It's a thrilling exploration into the realms of possibility and the limitless potential of technology to shape our digital world. AI influencers versus human influencers, the ultimate showdown. In the ongoing quest for influencer supremacy, AI influencers are disrupting the established order. We'll examine the strengths and weaknesses of both AI and human influencers. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this clash between the artificial and the authentic. The future of influencer culture. With AI influencers steadily climbing the ladder of prominence, it's natural to wonder about the future of influencer culture. Will these virtual personas ultimately take over social media, leaving human influencers in the dust? Or will there always be a place for real people to connect and influence others online? Join us as we peer into the crystal ball and ponder the potential trajectories of influencer culture in a world driven by AI. It's a fascinating journey into the unknown, where the lines between the virtual and the real blur, and the future of digital influence hangs in the balance. Embracing the AI revolution. In a world where technology holds sway, it's only natural that we find ourselves embracing the AI revolution. From the rise of AI influencers to the creation of immersive virtual experiences, the horizon seems boundless with possibilities. Yet, amid all the excitement and innovation, there's a lingering sense of curiosity and concern about what this means for society and culture at large. Join us as we delve into the complexities of the AI revolution. As our journey through the realm of AI influencers draws to a close, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The digital landscape is in a perpetual state of flux, and the role of AI is becoming increasingly undeniable. From the emergence of virtual celebrities to the ethical quandaries surrounding their very existence, we've barely scratched the surface of this captivating phenomenon. But fear not, because our exploration is far from over. Join us as we commit to delving even deeper into the mysteries of AI and its profound impact on our ever-evolving world. Together, let's navigate the twists and turns of this technological frontier, unraveling its complexities and embracing the opportunities it presents. If I increase your knowledge, so hit the thumbs up button, share and subscribe to our channel, AI Beyond Us.